here down in Mike's RC Corner. Hope everyone's having a good day, and if you're new here, I hope you like this video. Give it a like. Hope you stick around and subscribe. I got a lot more videos like this in my channel. Now this is an old model. This is a low-C micro DT, or stands for desert truck. I believe this truck was made more than 10 years ago. I picked it up probably around in 09, maybe 2010, and it was made prior to that. I bought it used off a guy, and it came with an AM radio, nickel metal hydride battery, 4.8 volt, I believe. I took it all apart and tried to make it brushless. The issue is in here, it has not a round motor mount. The motor had a flat side and a curve, so it was like the shape like the capital D. And the AM radio stunk on it. It had range of like 10 feet, not even, and you had the big long extension antenna, telescoping antenna. So since then it's been used as a toy by my son. He's broken the one suspension thing that's just a plastic thing. I don't know, it's great. You can see that it has a little bit upgraded shocks, and you can dial it down, and I may just take some stuff from over this to upgrade what's new, and that's the micro low-C DT. And now this is what I got here. I found this on a website called China Brands. I didn't really have a title or a brand name. You see EGOFLY, E-G-O-F-L-Y. EGOFLY is on here. We got the Rambler, which is the stadium truck. There's the Torpedo, which is the buggy. That's just changing the body posts and the body shell. And the last one, which one looks really cool, is the Hellbender. Now the original Micro T was the stadium truck, and that's the model I ended up getting here. So it also goes under the JJRC brand, under LT832, I believe, something like that. I'll have it all in the notes, of course, down low. But on China Brands, this is ridiculously cheap, 17 bucks, and then maybe 10 more bucks to ship it. And I liked it, and I thought I'd go on it, bring me back to my low-C DT days, and maybe I can take the parts from it and upgrade this, or maybe just take the shocks from this and upgrade the stadium truck. Anyways, enough of me rambling. I'm going to get this out of the box and let's see what all comes inside. Okay guys, I got that out of the box, and I was quite impressed about certain things, and certain things I'm a little worried about. There was no manual with this. Not that that's a big deal to me, but someone newer into the hobby, because this will be a price point where someone new might get into. Now the thing I really like about this model is proportional steering, and they went 2.4 gigahertz on this, and it has a Li-ion or LiPo in it. I'm not 100% sure. It comes with the USB charging cable, and that's good. Good thing for this battery, using the micro low-C connector. It comes with a cross wrench, which is interesting. I'll get this into the picture. And they all came in this bag. You got some cones, a little Phillips screwdriver, and some extra body clips. And the body clips are quite tiny, so that's always good to see that they come with some extra ones. Radio's cool. It's got a foam cover on the wheel. It kind of has a trim dial here for steering, I'm imagining. And there's no other real buttons for trimming or dual rates. We have an on-off switch here. This one's a little hard to get open, but I did open it earlier, and it is 2 AA batteries for the radio. I think this will give you about 30-40 meters of range, which will be perfect for this. And are you ready to rock? Yes, I am. Thank you for asking. Ready to rock. Got a little ramp in here. This is a 1/36 scale, so this will be interesting to jump off. I hope to put this on the driveway outside. I hope it stays. Maybe have to put a little piece of tape down. Definitely will work inside on carpet and everything like that. So cool stuff. We'll get those out of the way, and we'll just talk about the truck here. I'll get it in close. I've already taken the body off. Now the body is very similar into style and substance of what the DT body was like, so thumbs up for that. Kind of a messy art kind of look. I like it. Are you ready to rock? It's the Rambler. Woohoo! let's hope it is a good running machine. Now, I've seen many low-C DTs in my day, way back in the day, and this is very strikingly similar. Of course, it's a little shorter than the desert truck I showed you previously, but it's got all the same parts. Everything is virtually the same. The only thing different I've noticed is this cover on the motor. I didn't see it on the desert truck. It might be there, it might not be there. I think it probably was. It's hard to say. The screws are there for it, so that would make sense. I think you could swap a lot of the parts over. The servo's over there. It's all the same type of setup. The LiPo is in here. There's a bottom cover with 2 screws. I think you just leave it in and just charge it inside the RC. That would be fine. There's the antenna for the all-in-one receiver ESC. So that is awesome. 2.4 gigahertz. Just the range on this one was terrible. And I always can take these wheels and pop them on here. So if I want to go a little bit of different style, but I do like the stadium truck style ribbed front tires in the square pins on the back. That looks great. Notice these are just cheap plastic shocks. These are much more upgraded, so that's possible I could switch those over. And of course these have dial down collars. It looks great. I'm quite happy with this at the price point, everything. It's a brush motor, of course. It just brings me back to the old days. I like that. I like that it's 2.4 gigahertz and it's a LiPo in there, or Li-ion. It's just cool stuff. 5-wire servo. And if you can get some spare parts from these, I might be able to bring this one back to life. And that'd be really cool for me. It's just that motor, the round motor that I bought, it just doesn't quite fit in there. I'd have to change all this plate and meshing, and hopefully the pinion would mesh. It would just be brutal. But the good thing about nowadays, you could do 3D printing. I don't own a 3D printer, but maybe I could come up with a new plate there that I could access. But yeah, but it's just been used as a toy. So this one looks great. I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna do a running video, and I'll have a new video for that. So guys, stick around and watch that. Great to have you along. Thanks for tuning into this. Of course, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And hope to catch you on the next one soon. All right, take care. Peace out.